Hello, I'm back with another Scotland video. Pretty cool, right? Considering I didn't think I was going to get any footage whatsoever. So, you're currently sitting there saying, but Sam, didn't you just finish your Scotland trip and why are you uploading another video? And I'm like, yeah, you'd be pretty right in thinking that, but a little update for you. First of all, new camera. So you guys are currently sat on a GoPro Hero 11 Black with a new media mod case and a very bright light, because I'm a professional YouTube knob and I have lights and stuff now. And I have a brand new GoPro Hero 9 Black as well. So basically what happened, I was chatting to Tim Rody with GoPro Hero subscriptions. You pay like once a year, or at the start when you buy the GoPro, you get a discount for getting a subscription for some weird reason. He basically told me that he's had GoPros that have failed replaced because he's a GoPro subscription member, which I never knew you could get done. I spoke to GoPro online, told them about the issues I'd been having with this, didn't tell them it might be water damage, and they agreed to send me a new one. So that's a brand new Hero 9 Black, and because I'm an impatient arse and I couldn't wait for that to turn up, I also bought the Hero 11 Black that you're currently being filmed on. And the main reason I bought the Hero 11 is because I couldn't really wait, because I wanted to film that video that's currently on the screen right now, which some of you may be able to work out what that is, but that's an upcoming one. Got a new fish tank as well. Now, filming a video the other day, I put an SD card into this camera and it said there were 5 files on there. Lo and behold, they were Scotland videos from, I think it's day 2, where I'm heading over to Glencoe. After Scotland, I removed all the footage and I reformatted all the cards. So if there were any issues with them, hopefully reformatting them would work. That was all done on the PC. What I did find really weird is when I got home, I put the same SD card into the PC and it said there was nothing on there. So I assume the SD card wasn't formatted correctly, I don't know. So that is what this video is that you're about to watch. There were 5 files that all are about sort of half an hour long each, so I've edited them into a little bit more Scotland footage, which is quite nice. So this is just 10-15 minutes worth of the best sort of clips from the unseen footage. So enjoy. Right. You recording? Oh yes. We are at the Isle of Mull Ferry. Not that I'm going over tonight. I was going to, but the ferry is not running, or it is running, but get on this. There we go. Cheers, bro. Yeah, so basically if I took the ferry tonight or this afternoon, because it is 3 o'clock, there's one that leaves in about 40 minutes or so. The issue with it is the ferry back is about an hour and a half after that. So although it'll be fine, I think it's probably a good 5 or 6 hours to get around Mull. I've got a campsite tonight, so I think what I'll do, instead of trying to get over there tonight, I'll do it tomorrow, just because then I've got a full day and I don't have to mess around. Let's go find some fuel, get over to Glencoe. We're only 67 miles away, only about an hour ish, depending how fast I go, or slow, as evidently is happening. But the thing that I'm more interested in right now, besides fuel, is that sign says A82. That road, that A82 is a very good bit of road. Be back in a minute, I'm just going to fill up with petrol. Do you know what's really daunting? I've got this enormous lorry literally next to me. I think he thought the pump was free and just came ploughing in behind me, and I was like, "Whoa." And also, this is an Esso, I think. Look, they've got gloves in the pump handles, which is fantastic. Really, really good idea. There we go, full tank of fuel. The thing that I really like, this road over to Tindrum is really good. It's the A82, as I mentioned before, but that road is so good. I mean, it's nice being along the coast, but
why not do it along there as well? It's fantastic, really, really good. Today has been so good, like especially that, like having a bit of a mess around with that Graham. He's a really lovely bloke. I ended up leaving him at the ferry terminal. Eat it to eat. Oh god, I'm such an Asmo knob. Antisocial behaviour order. But yeah, I will bring you guys back when I'm on the A82 because banging. Bye! The A85 is a cracking little road. I didn't film any of it because, yeah. I've been having a lot of fun. I got overtaken, well, a guy on a S1000 XR, unladen completely, he's obviously a local, full leathers with like knee pads and everything on, came up behind me, and I sort of waved him past after a few corners. I thought I was going quite quick. I was doing and speed. I'm not going to let you know what speed, but I was doing speed. And I was taking corners quite quickly, flowing in and out, not really braking. I was pretty going for it, considering I'm fully laden. I let him pass and he just f***ed off. Just completely disappeared. We got some really nice corners, some really windy ones. And guess who caught him back up? Oh, green welly stop. Woohoo! Oh, I know where I am. I've been here before. We are now on the A82 going the other way. And again, a very good bit of road. And I have to give it, the locals move over and indicate and all sorts of stuff to let you through when you're on a bike, which is lovely, really nice. Oh, there you go. Let's go in. Come on. Oh, there's a police car there. LOL. Oh, look at this place. This is going into Glencoe, so that up there. Oh, look, mate, look at these roads. Oh, Clio. It's quite neatly parked in the bush. Obviously been over and rolled. This is incredible. Like, this place is just sublime. I've said it, there you go. The first Sublime came out, everyone. Incroyable. Incroyable. Can you tell how more upbeat my mood is since this morning? It's amazing what a day of launching your bike around canyons and stuff does, with literally no care in the world. The only thing productive that I've done today, besides filming video content, is check the ferry times for tomorrow. That's literally it. Everything else has just been, oh, might get some lunch here. Oh, might get a coffee. Oh, this guy wants to just chat to me. I'll just chat to him. That's literally been it. It's been lovely. 3, 2, 1. Also, when I'm riding relatively hard, my MPG is about 47, 48 with this remap done, which is still pretty good considering that I've got a 1300cc bike that's 152 horsepower at the rear wheel, and I'm doing 43 MPG. So that kind of shows you what I was doing to keep up with that S1000 XR. Oh, I love it. I mean, I'm still well impressed with myself for keeping up. After he went past me and we got to the corners, and I kept up on a heavier bike, fully laden with camping gear and all sorts of shit. This is a stunning place, man. Look at where I am. Oh, God, this is good. I need to remember to wear more in bed tonight, because last night was, I know it sounds really hard, I was wearing my boxers, but I was a little bit chilly last night, I'm not gonna lie. I woke up a few times like feeling a little bit nipper, so I think I'm gonna have to probably put the thermals on or something. All the dick lights, all the dick lights. Love a good dick light. Let's flash our dick lights at each other. Do I do it? Do I do it? Do I do it? Yep, fuck it. I love these long corners. Although it feels really odd doing this while I'm fully laden. Yes! 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 I'm so happy! I'm going to stop here and take a pretty photo. Don't look on, don't look on, don't look on. Love it. Right, I'm going to take a photo of that view because that is stunning. Bye! So many bumps and shit, Jesus. Oh my god. I could just bang it here, to be fair, couldn't I? I need to be able to turn around, that's what I kind of need to do. Wow, someone's camping there, brave man. That will do, nicely. Just bang it right there. I mean, that's worth it for the gram, isn't it? After 20 minutes of me ranting about how I hate people doing stuff just for Instagram, there's me taking it down a tiny little road that's barely a road just so I can get a dank picture for Instagram. I love Glencoe. Oh, look at this place. I'm well aware that you guys are just going to get like sun. I'd love to live there. Right, now I've got to go down there and try and turn around. Itchy beard. Place bets now on if you think I'm going to drop this, because I think I might. Right, that's fine. Come left, because turning right is uphill. That means I can roll back. I cannot explain how stony this is. God, this is full on ABR mode. Excuse me, excuse me. I mean, cars have just come down here, so fair play. Up here? Love Glencoe, question mark. Yeah, so do it. There we go. Thank you. Right, let's go get set up. And we just bang at this. What about there?
Beautiful. Right, I'll see you guys in a minute.